Solve a question on how to find out the level of output where profit is maximum from the given cost and demand function. The question is, if the cost and demand functions of a firm are given as C is equal to 1064 plus 5x plus x square upon 25. C denotes the cost, x is the output, and inverse demand function is, that is P is equal to 157 minus 3x. We have to find out the output at which profit is maximum. Options are being given, we need to find out the correct option. Okay, so given this cost function and demand function, we know the condition for profit maximization, that is profit is maximum when marginal revenue of a firm is equal to the marginal cost of the firm. Okay, so what we need to do, first we need to find out the total revenue. We know that total revenue is equal to price into output. Okay, what is the price function? That is being given as 157 minus 3x. To this we multiply by x to find out the total revenue, then we can find out the marginal revenue. That gives us total revenue is equal to, so x is multiplied to each of these terms, so we have 157x minus 3x square. This is our total revenue function. Now what about the marginal revenue? We know that marginal revenue is simply equal to the change in the total revenue due to the change in the output, that is dx. That means we need to differentiate this total revenue function with respect to x. The derivative of x by power function rule is 1. We are left with 157 minus derivative of x square is 2x, so 2 into 3 is 6x. This is our marginal revenue function. Okay, by the same logic, we have to find out the marginal cost. What will be the marginal cost? That will be the change in the total cost due to the change in the output. So total cost function is being given, we need to differentiate it with respect to output. Derivative of a constant is 0, derivative of x in the second term is 1, we are left with 5, plus derivative of x square is 2x, so we get 2x upon 25. Okay, so equating marginal cost or marginal revenue with marginal cost implies marginal revenue is this very function, marginal cost is this very function. Let us equate them with each other. That will give us, so we have 157 minus 6x should be equal to 5 plus 2x upon 25. Okay, let me show it graphically also. So let me draw a small graph. We have the output on the horizontal axis, price, marginal cost and marginal revenue on the vertical axis. First we have the demand function. Its intercept is 157, that is price intercept is 157, and it is downward sloping. You can see this we call the average revenue function also. This is our average revenue function. We have the marginal revenue function with the same slope, but with the same price intercept, but the slope is twice that of the average revenue function. The slope of the average revenue function is 3x, but the slope of marginal revenue function is 6 times x, that is twice that of the average revenue function. So let's draw the marginal revenue function here. Also we have the marginal cost function. Okay, so this is our marginal cost function, so it will be upward sloping. Let us draw it like this. This is our marginal cost function. Now profit is maximized where marginal revenue function intersects the marginal cost function. Okay, so we need to find this very point. Okay, now let us equate these two. Since this is our average marginal revenue function, this is our marginal cost function, we equate them. So transposing this minus 6 to here and this 5 here, so we get 157 minus 5x is equal to twice x upon 25. Transposing it becomes plus 6x. Okay, simple thing. We don't have 5 with this, so subtracting 5 from 157, this comes out to be 152 is equal to, so cross multiplying here, so So we get here 2x plus 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15. Why we get here 150x divided by 25 into 1 is 25. Okay, so which implies 152 is equal to, so 150x plus 2x is 152x upon 25. Okay, so solving for x, it implies so we have 152 upon 25, x is equal to 152, which implies x will be equal to, so if I transpose this term, it will get multiplied but reciprocated. Okay, we have 152 times 25 upon 152. Okay, this gets cancelled. We get x is equal to 25. That means profit maximizing level of output will be equal to 25, this x star. So the correct option should be this third option. I hope you find out this video helpful. Thank you.